Hi everyone, I want to print this image on multiple A4 sheets and create a poster. So now I am going to tell you how to print this image on multiple uh, papers. Okay, you can right click on image and then open with paints. Okay, this is my image. So this is my image. I want to print this image on multiple pages. So then I can click on print and select page setups. Okay, so you can see this type of page setup window. Then now I am going to tell you page size. I use the A4 size. A4 size. Then uh, you can see scaling uh, just scaling. So like to print this image on 9 pages. So I can put 3 here and by 3 fit to 3 by 3, that's mean 9 pages. So if you want to print on this uh, image on 8 pages, you can change the values here. So for example, so if you put 2 by 4, the multiple 2 by 4, that's mean you can get print on 8 page. Anyway, I would like to print this one on 9 pages, so I put 3 by 3, then okay friends, now I'm going to show you my print view. Go print again, click on print view. Okay, now you can see the first page here, the second page, third page, fourth page, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth. Okay, so now I am going to change the page setup again. So I think I like print on 4 pages, so I put 2 by 2. Okay, now print view. Okay, this is the first page, this is the second page, this is the third and fourth. Okay friends, you can use these methods. Then you can click on print, then you will get the print on uh, selected pages. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any problems, you can comment below.